Here's how to enable and disable WooCommerce Analytics. Head over to WooCommerce in your dashboard sidebar and click Settings. The Settings area is where you control how your store behaves, and frankly, most people never explore half of what's available here. You'll spot several tabs along the top. Click Advanced and you'll see even more tabs appear. Look for the Features tab. This particular section controls optional tools that WooCommerce can either run or ignore completely. The Analytics section sits somewhere down the page, and it's pretty straightforward. There's a checkbox called Enable WooCommerce Analytics. Check it and your store starts collecting everything: sales patterns, customer behavior, which products actually sell, and which ones just sit there. Uncheck that same box and the analytics system shuts down entirely. The analytics menu disappears from your dashboard, data collection stops, and your database doesn't get filled with tracking information. Save your changes at the bottom of the page, and that's pretty much it.